Morning fairies! It's like 8 a.m. I just woke up and I really need to get into uni, but I want to wear this new pair of trainers I ordered and I thought it would be a really good unboxing video, so I'm just gonna do this like super quick. Okay, so this is just like a mysterious black package. Unbox this shit. This is tough. Unbox what you think it is. So there's a box inside. Okay. I'm going to show it to you before I show it to myself and see if you can actually see it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Ta-da. Oh, I can't see it. My turn. Wow. I actually think it's super cool. So this is the Metcon Flyknit 2 in triple black. As you can see, it's very sleek. Super sexy. Definitely gonna wear it today. I love it. Maybe I should have bought a size smaller. So I'll do a mini review like my APL. I'm actually going to gym class today as well. I'm going to strip and rip. Oh, excuse my nails. Sorry. So yeah, so far loving the look. This is my third pair of Metcons. I love Metcon so much. I have the first version, the second version, and this is my first ever Flyknit. I've been wearing Metcons for 3 years now. Not good for running. I don't like running with them, but lifting and like everyday wear is amazing. Okay, so bye for now.